Well, good morning, good evening, and wherever you are, welcome to the inaugural OSL Digital Assets Capital Introduction Conference, the first capital introduction conference for the digital asset industry. My name is Matt Long. I'm the Head of Distribution and Prime at OSL, and I'm your MC, and really looking forward to helping you through the next 6 hours or so of engagement with the digital asset industry. We're really delighted to be able to bring to you what is, we think, perhaps the most distinguished, knowledgeable and credible array of guests that has been seen within the digital asset industry to bring an additional level of knowledge to the market. At OSL, we're really interested in collaboration and helping investors understand digital asset industries. And so accordingly today, we're really delighted that OSL's prime brokerage capital introduction service is able to bring together, on the one side, allocators of capital. So we have joining us today sovereigns, asset managers, wealth managers, family offices, and high net worth investors. And we're really delighted to be able to bring them together on the other side with ways to invest into the digital asset ecosystem, including direct investment, for example, through platforms like OSL and its exchange and its brokerage service, through listed and regulated futures markets. And we're really delighted to have Tim McCourt from the CME joining us later, and through a broad range of managed funds as another way to allocate capital into markets. So we're going to introduce you to around 10 of the leading digital asset managers in the industry today. We're also really lucky to have with us a couple of, real flag bearers for the digital asset industry. So in Melton Demiras from CoinShares, and also we're really delighted to have Michael Saylor, who has largely been the flag bearer for the corporate adoption of digital assets over the last 6 months. And we'll have Michael with a fireside chat with Rashad Salamat from Bloomberg later today. So really delighted to have everyone here. So please enjoy, please learn, please take the opportunity to engage as best you can in this platform that we've provided today, and engage like you would at a real world conference. Use the breakout rooms, speak with other guests. You'll have the opportunity over lunch, Asia time, to meet some of the managers that we're introducing you today. You'll find some OSL people around the rooms and around the foyers. So if you get lost, if you need some advice where to go to, grab an OSL delegate. They can help you. So again, thank you very much for joining us. And I'd like to kick us off with our first guest for today, and that is a welcome by the CEO of OSL, Wayne Trench. Wayne, over to you.
Thanks, Matt. And ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're joining us around the world. My name is Wayne Trench, and I'm the CEO of OSL. And it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you to what is the inaugural OSL Capital Introduction Conference. As I was deciding my title for today, I was reflecting on Elon's latest announcement, and I'm just choosing between first of its kind for digital assets, as Matt mentioned. And my team and I are really thrilled and in fact humbled to have assembled such a high quality lineup of industry leaders for this landmark event. And in fact, particularly excited to share the content that we've curated as well. The timeliness of the conference, I guess, could not be better. In the most recent weekend that just passed, Bitcoin traded all-time highs again, and there's ongoing discussion and innovation happening every day, including in the DeFi space and NFTs and so on. Now, whilst today is all about fostering engagement between our investors and a host of the presenters that we've assembled, please allow me to share a little bit more about OSL as a beginning, as we've been working tirelessly over a number of years with a very institutional and regulated mentality in mind. Now, our mission is simple, and that is to provide best-in-class access to digital assets, setting the global standards for innovation, performance, security, and compliance. As the trusted gateway to digital assets, our platform allows direct access through our brokerage, exchange, and custody capabilities. But we also offer an institutional grade software as a service solution to other banks, brokers, and other intermediaries who are looking to offer an institutional grade, safe, and secure digital asset solution to their clients. Now, it goes without saying that our strength really depends on the success of our customers. And today's conference provides the perfect setting to bring together our clients, as Matt said, together with our business partners to help educate and inform the investment community on the various options that you have available as you consider gaining exposure or increasing your exposure to digital assets. And I'm super excited to be able to help facilitate more high quality participants entering the space. Now, the timing of the event also comes at a time when our own business has gone through a number of significant growth milestones as well. And I'd just like to mention a few of those. We had a big start to 2021, where with the help of Morgan Stanley, our parent company, BC Technology Group, which is 863HK, listed on the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong, quality strategic investors, raising almost $100 million US, about $90 million US, and with the proceeds going to just improving our platform and also growing our geographical footprint. And we're super excited about that. Also, really pleased to announce that on earlier this week in Hong Kong, OSL Digital Securities, which is the only SFC licensed platform, went live and is now officially open for business. Now, after a long and admittedly arduous road to licensing, we've completed all of our test trades and we've now done live trades on the platform, and the demand is significant. And this week we made that publicly available, and are just very excited about what the future holds. My team and the entire team, in fact, has worked incredibly hard to deliver truly what we believe to be a best-in-class digital asset offering, which is compliant with the very stringent standards set by the SFC, ensuring that we hope we would be considered as perhaps the most safe and secure platform to trade digital assets anywhere in the world. Our platform is designed specifically for institutions and professional investors. Our exchange offers 24/7 capabilities to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets, whilst providing the necessary safeguards that are required to meet regulated licensed trading conditions, including coin purity, market surveillance, and transaction monitoring capabilities. We can offer that service through single-click trading through the user interface, but also through high-capacity API connectivity through both FIX and REST. In addition to our exchange, our brokerage business provides a truly institutional-grade offering, both electronically and on an over-the-counter basis, giving our customers the ability to execute very large orders safely, securely, and at competitive pricing. Put simply, we make trading digital assets easy. Look, I'd like to thank our counterparts who have been on this journey with us. We really appreciate all the support that we've got from our clients as we've worked hard to get to this point, particularly through the extensive testing process, and also for those of you who've been waiting patiently for a licensed venue to begin your digital asset adoption. OSL Digital Securities now does offer counterparts the only regulated platform in Hong Kong to trade digital assets, and offers insured custody of assets and segregated banking as well. Now, without further ado, I'm very pleased to hand back to Matt and his team to commence the Capital Introduction Conference and let the main show get on the road. I'd like to particularly thank Meltem, Michael, Tim, and all of our other panelists for their contributions to the program. I, for one, am really excited and looking forward to all of your insights. And finally, thank you all for joining the conference. I do encourage you to reach out post-event if you have any questions for us. We'd be more than delighted to help. Enjoy the conference today, and thank you for making the time. Back to you, Matt.
Cheers, Wayne. Thank you. Thanks very much for the opening remarks.